Junior. I'll hold this in place while you get another pole we can connect it to.
Great idea, Mimi. This is going to be the best fort ever. I'll be right back.
Okay, then. Don't take too long. I'm not Super Bunny. Stop, Junior. That tickles. Ow! Junior, that wasn't very funny.
What's not funny?
You tickled me while I was holding that heavy board.
No, I didn't.
Something strange is going on here. All right, who's giggling in that bush?
That was funny, wasn't it?
No.
Oh, come on. I was just joking. My name is Hao Hao, and I am here visiting for the Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year? Aren't you a long way from China?
You don't have to be in China to celebrate the New Year. Some of my family is here, and we always get together on New Year. But if you happen to be in China, it's a big deal. And this year is my year, the year of the monkey. The year of the monkey?
It's New Year, time to cheer. Everyone will gather near. Won't be long, ring the gong, year of the monkey song. The city's filled with lanterns, hanging up so high. Fireworks are ready, they will light the sky. People celebrating as the dragons dance. I'm lost in all these lights, I just can't believe this night. It's New Year, time to cheer. Everyone will gather near. Won't be long, ring the gong, year of the monkey song. I see painted faces and love the clothes they wear. We believe in fortunes and good luck will be here. Giving gifts is just another lovely part. We celebrate together, it will fill up our hearts. It's New Year, time to cheer. Everyone will gather near. Won't be long, ring the gong, year of the monkey song.
For the Chinese New Year, all of my family, young and old, come together for dinner. This is called Chushi Night. And then later that night, we light firecrackers and fireworks.
Fireworks? I love fireworks. They're so loud when they go bang, crackle, and pop.
Yeah, that's the point. The Chinese believe that the loud noise scares away bad spirits.
Oh, so that's why.
How? Why are there always dragons in Chinese parades? Well, many Chinese people believe that they were once dragons.
That's so cool, flying around breathing fire and stuff. Rah!
Speaking of fire, this time of year, everything is red because red is the color of fire. And we want next year to be as bright and beautiful as fire. Why is this year the year of the monkey? Every year is a new animal. All 12 of them are what we call the zodiac. And this year is my year. Monkeys are known to be silly and play jokes on others. Ah, now I get it.
It's New Year, time to cheer. Everyone will gather near. Won't be long, ring the gong, year of the monkey song.
Whoa, this fort looks amazing.
It's bright and beautiful.
And ready for the new year. Xinyan Kuala. That means Happy New Year in Chinese.
Wow! 新年快乐! Yay!
Yeah!